everybody, it's Diana with Stamping with Di. Welcome to my YouTube channel and this week's Di's Shorts, and I am going to do a really quick one. I'm going to show you the projects for my July class and the mail kit. You do not want to miss this. It is so cute. I'm almost sold out, and you have till today, the 19th, to sign up for this class. So I'm going to show that. I also want to remind you about the Stampin' Storage sale. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. If you've been here before, welcome back. My name is Diana, and I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator, and I'm in Santan Valley, Arizona. So welcome, welcome. If you are new, I would love for you to subscribe, and that way you don't miss out on any of my other videos. All right, so what I said at the beginning, the Stampin' Storage. So I'm an affiliate for Stampin' Storage, and that is what I show back here. So these are what my punches are on. You can also see them here. I usually don't have the camera go that far around, but you can see I also have it over there for my, I just messed with my focus, but where I have my blends and my refills and my Stampin' Rights and my ink pads. They have, I have it written down so I don't get it wrong, so 15% off, and that's from July the 18th to the 22nd, and you can see it on my blog over here. I have some more information, but you want to make sure that you use the when you're checking out, use Tidy Craft, and again, you can get it from my blog. I'll also put a little link during the live video, because I am in the chat room with you during the live. So if you have any questions or whatever, you can reach me there, because I do have a special link that you want to use in order to do your shopping. So yeah, I made sure I had stuff in my my shopping cart, and I was like, okay, as soon as the 18th came, I got that stuff ordered. So anyway, so that's what I'm going to, I wanted to make sure I mentioned. And then I want to show you the projects that you're going to do for my July class in the mail, and that's the Attention Shoppers bundle, and it is so cute. Oh my gosh, I had so much fun coming up with the projects this month, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So I'm going to stop blabbing so I can get to the video. So close your eyes just for a second while I get adjusted. Okay, so the class is the Attention Shoppers, and it has a coordinating die. So I love it when we have a die that cuts things out, and we have a die that cuts out everything. Now it doesn't cut out the greetings, but it cuts out the card and all the fun little things that you put in the cart. And so this is a little bit more information on the class. So again, you get the stamp set and the die. The class is 65, and now remember, I can only send classes in the United States. So if you're watching from somewhere else, I can't send that. I do have my friend Marcy in Canada and my friend Julie in the United Kingdom. And you can see their YouTube channels down below. I have them featured on my channel, and they do classes in the mail as well. It does not mean that they are doing the same class as me. I'm just letting you know, if you do like to do class in the mail kits, that they both offer that. So this class is 65, and it includes the Attention Shoppers bundle. So the stamp set and the die, the supplies for the projects I'm going to show you, a PDF with close-up pics with the supply list, priority postage for tracking, and then you'll get a private video link so you can make your projects along with me at your leisure. So if you like to stamp in your pajamas, you know, like you can do that. And again, USA only. Registration closes July the 19th. I added a couple more days on there because I thought, well, I'm just going to have it be on my die short so I can show you the projects. And then, but supplies are limited. I'm almost sold out. So hopefully by the time you see this, I still have those. So holler at me. And the class packets will go out the week of July 29th. Why I always say while supplies last is because I usually add things that I can only get so many of for the videos, and you'll see this when I show you the projects, or for the classes, and you'll see that when I show you the projects, because I can't get any more of them. So yeah, so that's why I always say while supplies last, because I've had a few people go, how come you say supplies last, you know, when it's a catalog item? And that's why, because when I do my kits, I don't always, but I usually put something in there that's, you know, not from the catalog. So class packets, well, the week of July 29th. My team, I have a team perk, so if you are a member of my team, you can get the guts only for $25, because then they would order the stamp set, the bundle on their own, and get their commission that way, and then it helps them do their quarterly minimum. So if you're thinking of joining my team, now is a great time to do that. All right, so let me show you the fun projects. Again, you'll get the Attention Shopper stamp set. It is a photopolymer, so you can see through that. And then the coordinating die. So I won't be die cutting anything out because you'll use your own die. Now, obviously, if there is something die cut that is not part of that bundle, it will be in your packet. All right, so let's see the projects here. So the first project, now I'm considering this like one project, even though it's two things, because it's kind of like a little duo, so I'm only counting this as like one. But it's got the cute little box that you can put whatever you want in it, and then the little card. So treat yourself, happy birthday. You can put, you know, maybe some money in there. You can put a little snack or whatever you want in here. Maybe some jewelry. I always love jewelry. So this is one of the projects. And then you'll get your little blings, right? You won't get full packs of the bling, but you'll get bling so you can make your cards. But I love how these turned out. So that's one. Here's another project. So cute with those little plants. And I even did a little blending with the die that makes the little this little cart, shopping cart. You'll punch out, you know, die cut one of those, and you'll just use that as a mask, so you can kind of see it in the background there, the little bits. But it just puts a little decoration behind those plants, so it's super cute. So this is just a little thanks. All right, and then you have this fun one here. I love this paper. Now, some of the paper I show, some things are retired, and that's just how I keep my costs down for my class of the mail kits. But sometimes there's just certain things that go perfect, whether it's a retired item or a current or not. And this just screamed at like shopping and, you know, fancy fun stuff, and I just had to use that paper. But here's this one here, and you can see I even put that paper on the shopping bag. So I think all my bags, I think I actually put paper on them, DSP, just to make them look super, super cute. But look how fun that is. And then the inside. All right, here's another fun one. So happy birthday. You've got all these fun little things. Treat yourself. So this would be fun to put like a gift certificate or something in there. And then we have the little, this is a magnet. There's a magnet on the back. You can stick it on your refrigerator. And this is just a little, like a grocery list, a shopping list. You know, you just tear these off. But it turned out so cute, I think. You could put that on the refrigerator. I love that. So that was 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, since I'm counting these as, you know, like 1. And I also came up with a little mini masterpiece for the class. So this was the first time I've done a limited edition mini masterpiece for a class. So let me know if you like this idea or not. I have the mini masterpiece for ordering for the month of July, and I have showed this already. So if you order $75 before tax and shipping from my store, you can say you want the little mini masterpiece, and that's the little scarecrow guy. But I thought it'd be fun to make one for my class in the mail. Now, I chose to do a little image from the actual class, like the attention shopper. So I'll continue to do that. Maybe if there's a stamp set we do that, you know, I can't come up with an idea or something, maybe I'll come up with something else, but I'll try to always do something from the class. But I love how this turned out. So anyway, so yeah, so these are the projects. These are the projects you'll make. This will be already done and in your packet. You know, just as a little thank you, you know, kind of. All right, so let me say, see you later, alligator. So let me know what you think. Oh my gosh, I love all these projects. But like I said, you have till today. This is the 19th. Today's the last day to sign up for this class. And you might say, only if you already have this bundle, you can switch it out for something the same price, but it needs to fit in that priority envelope, so I can send it to you. If you have any questions at all, just make sure you holler at me. And I think that's all for now. So have a great weekend, and I will see you Monday for a Mimeograph Monday with a twist. That'll be 3 o'clock, Arizona time, same channel. Oh, I almost forgot. Look at my cute shirt. This is another one of my fun little Goodwill finds, and I forgot to show you. All right, have a good weekend. Bye for now.